Almost all aspects of air travel and the activities that facilitate it are covered by the aviation industry. This indicates that it includes military aviation, aircraft manufacturing, research organizations, and the entire airline industry. There are many aircraft that changed the landscape of the aviation industry, including Boeing 747, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the Airbus A380 2005, etc. A notable milestone in the aviation industry was the creation and introduction of the Boeing 747, the very first broad-range commercial airliner, in 1969. The project was predicted to be worth $1 billion. With an anticipated total cost of more than $1.5 trillion, the Lockheed Martin F-35, also known as the Joint Strike Fighter program, is one of the most expensive military aviation initiatives ever. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner's development and introduction marked major moments for the aviation sector. One of the most important investments in commercial airline history, the project had an estimated $32 billion value. The introduction of the world's biggest passenger plane, the Airbus A380, was a momentous development for the aviation sector. The projected $25 billion cost of the A380's development. For a total of $2.6 billion, Delta Airlines bought Northwest Airlines. At the time of the merger, this airline was the biggest in the world. The production of the Airbus A320neo family of aircraft, which consists of the A319neo, A320neo, and A321neo, was an important development in the aviation sector. The anticipated cost of the project was $25 billion. In 2013, Emirati Airlines placed a contract for 150 Boeing 777X planes with a list price of roughly $76 billion. At the time, this was the single largest order ever placed for commercial aircraft. The largest global airline in terms of passenger volume was formed in 2013 by the merger of American Airlines and U.S. Airways. The transaction cost $17.8 billion. The creation of the new series of commercial aircraft, the Bombardier Cherries, was a significant development for the aviation sector. The anticipated cost of the project was $3.5 billion. The US and the EU reached a historic agreement to end a 17-year battle over government support for Boeing and Airbus, the world's two largest aircraft manufacturers. Commercial and military aircraft sales totaled over $11 billion as a result of the agreement. In a massive agreement announced on Tuesday, that the Tata Group-owned airline will buy 190 B737 MAX, 20 B787, and 10 B777X aircraft, for a total of 220 firm orders worth $34 billion at list price. Thank you.